In this video, I will show you how to change Duolingo icon. So the first step is to simply close Duolingo and then simply open this app which is called Shortcuts. Now this app is completely free. So after you install the app and you open it, you're gonna have to simply tap on this plus button in the top right corner, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on open app and then simply tap on app. Here you're gonna have to simply search for Duolingo, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on this arrow and then simply tap to add to home screen, and then here you're gonna have to tap on this gallery icon and then simply tap on choose photo. Now basically you can add whatever photo you want. So as you can see, I have this photo, and basically this would be the new icon for Duolingo. Now before you do that, what you're gonna have to do is make sure that you change the name. So tap again on this arrow and tap on rename, and here you're gonna have to name it Duolingo, and then do the same process again, and then simply change the icon, and basically that's it. So tap on add, and basically that's it. As you can see, now we have the Duolingo app with a different icon. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.